In today's stressful life, owning a hot tub can not only improve your health, it can also create quality time for the entire family. Stay safe in your own backyard and save top dollars on traveling and visiting day spas and massage centers. If your spa or hot tub needs repairs, Acura Spa Systems has created an easy and affordable way to fix and rejuvenate it yourself. Buy factory direct from one of the oldest manufacturers of spa pumps, controls, blowers, and heaters. Acura Spa Systems.
Right now, Acura Spa Systems in Riverside, California will demonstrate how you can replace the heating element in a Balboa Control pack with Acura Spa's bulkhead-free heating element on the Cosmos heating cylinder. Heating elements usually go bad because of corrosion building up on the point of the bulkhead, where it's crimped, bonded, epoxied, or brazed onto the element. It's the weakest point of the heating element. At Acura Spa Systems, we've developed a new bulkhead-free heating element which eliminates the weak point. Now let's get started with installing the new Cosmo heater with the Acura Spa bulkhead-free heating element in a Balboa pack. First, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the cover screws from the Balboa pack and place those screws to the side to use again later. Begin removing the old heater cylinder by disconnecting the ground nut from the existing heater to the PC board in the control box. Now, on the left side of the control box, use a nut driver to remove the copper jumpers from screws attached to the PC board by removing the two hex nuts holding the copper jumpers to the board. Next, use the nut driver to remove the screws in the flange or mounting bracket, which hold the heater in place. One flange screw is on the top, another on the bottom in this case, and some manufacturers locate them in different spots, but they're quite obvious to see and remove. Now, pull the old heater cylinder out with the copper jumpers still attached to the cylinder. Remove the two gray temperature sensor wires. In this video, there is one on each end of the heating cylinder. Set those heating element wires aside to use them again with the new heater. Set the old heating cylinder aside. You won't need the copper jumpers any longer. Slide in the new heating cylinder into the flange or mounting bracket. Now this is critically important. Use a screwdriver to attach the green grounding wire from the new heater to the back of the control pack. Again, this is critical. If not done correctly, you can be electrocuted. Then, adjust the cylinder and reinsert the flange screws you removed earlier to secure the new heating cylinder in the flange or mounting bracket. Attach the red and black wires from the new heater on the designated screws, which the copper jumpers were attached to on the left side of the pack. Use your nut driver to reattach the nuts on the screws to secure the red and white wires which supply the electricity to the heater. Now, reattach the gray temperature sensor wires and reattach the back cover on the control box. You're done, and you did it yourself, saving a sizable chunk of money. If you have any questions, please call us at Acura Spa Systems in Riverside, California.
To speak with one of our spa or hot tub professionals, call us at 951-684-6667, extension 223.